here. We wish we had a bigger venue. I just personally have to say, as a student development person, it's so heartwarming to see so many students here just excited to meet someone like Dolores Huerta. I think so often people of this generation get starstruck over singers and actors, and I just love that you guys are excited to see somebody who you should be emulating and who we should look up to as a role model, someone who fights for other people's rights, for civil rights. So give yourselves a round of applause. You guys are awesome. It just goes to show the caliber of students that we have at TSTC. So thank you guys all for coming. My name is Adele Clinton. I'm your Director of Student Life, and this is Liz Silva. She's your Director of Counseling. And we are just absolutely humbled and honored to be up here introducing Ms. Huerta. Dolores Huerta is the president of the Dolores Huerta Foundation and co-founder of the United Farm Workers. Her lifelong journey has been working as a community organizer and social activist for over 50 years. Ms. Huerta has played a major role in the American Civil Rights Movement. A founding board member of the Feminist Majority Foundation, she also serves on the board of Ms. Magazine. Ms. Huerta has received numerous awards, including the Eleanor Roosevelt Human Rights Award from President Clinton, Ms. Magazine's One of the Three Most Important Women of '97, Ladies Home Journal's 100 Most Important Women of the 20th Century, Pupin Foundation Award for Creative Citizenship Labor Leader Award in 1984, Kern County's Woman of the Year by California State Legislature, the OTLI Award from Mexican government, Smithsonian Institution James Smithson Award, and the Icons of the American Civil Rights Movement Award bestowed to her in 2011 by the National Civil Rights Museum. She's a former UC Regent and has earned 9 honorary doctorates from universities throughout the United States. Her most recent recognitions include her induction into the U.S. Department of Labor Hall of Fame and the 2012 Presidential Medal of Freedom.
As one of the most famous and celebrated Latinas in the U.S., Huerta has been an advocate for women's rights and reproductive freedom. She continues working to develop community leaders for the working poor, immigrants, women, and youth with the Dolores Huerta Foundation. She speaks at universities and organization forums on issues of social justice and public policy, and we're so excited that she is here to share her knowledge and experiences with TSTC today. Please help us welcome Ms. Dolores Huerta.
Wow. Well, thank you very much for being here. And on a Friday, there's a lot of things that people can do on a Friday afternoon, and especially for the students who are sticking around to be here. I want to thank the student groups that are here, the student leadership organization that's here. I want to thank also the head students that are way in the back over there. Okay? Thank you very much, and the Katie Kai organization is also here. And all of you for being here. I know this is kind of a last-minute thing, so I appreciate your being here. And it's great to be here in Texas. I'm so impressed with all of the stuff that's going on in South Texas, okay? Yeah. South Texas. We know that recently Texas has been in the news in a very negative way because you all got a crazy senator, right? So we'll call him Crazy Cruz. But I think it's indicative of the work that still needs to be done here. So I was at the Jaime Escalante School in Flower, Texas.